Morning all, welcome to rainy Kolkata. It's been raining a fair bit, but I just thought I'll do a quick video to show you how I made myself an indoor air filter, completely natural, biological if you'd like to see. It's quite interesting. So what we've done here is we've got ourselves a couple of really healthy big indoor plants which are big leaves. And usually indoor plants suffer a lot when they're indoors, so they have to get it taken out. So I managed to get some of these grow lights, which I hooked up onto a recycled thermocol board, and when I switch this on all day, the plants continue to produce oxygen while they're inside and they don't need to be taken out anymore. I thought it's a really good idea to upgrade, and has a pretty interesting look as well. I'm just going to switch this on to show you. And that's how it looks when the light's on, and it's pretty bright. We've got about 8 LED grow battens running here, 1 foot long. It only pulls about 10 watts of power. So here we go. We have a built-in air filter indoors at a fraction of the cost of one of those machines. Pure green and clean air all day long, and the leaves look white. Fascinating in the light. Well, have a good day everyone. If you've got indoor plants, you might want to consider setting up something like this. Bye for now.